Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the console. This gives direct control and avoids dependency on network services. Once connected, log in with admin credentials and set a management IP on VLAN 1 so you can SSH from your workstation. Make sure to configure the default gateway to reach remote services, then enable SSH and HTTP only if necessary. These steps establish a management plane. They are small but essential, because without them, you cannot push configs or fetch for. You now build the data plane, create each VLAN and assign an SVI if the switch routes. Once done, place edge devices on access ports and tag uplinks as trunks so traffic flows correctly. When you bundle links for capacity and redundancy, use LACP. This prevents asymmetry and drops. Also adjust spanning tree priorities to control route placement. Make sure to tune timers only if convergence goals demand it. These actions shape traffic paths and resilience across your network. You finish by saving the running configuration to startup to survive reboots, then export a backup to TFTP or a USB drive so you can restore quickly. Next, verify connectivity with ping and traceroute and inspect core outputs like show VLAN and show interfaces status to confirm expected states. If an issue appears, check logs and use show logging to find relevant errors. Make sure to document the final config and firmware level. This prevents surprises during later maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.